Elpo-hormi installation guide. Attach pressure-plated hoisting loops. When installing, always use the safety strap for lifting. Lift elements from the ground one at a time. Clean dust and debris off the element ends. Lubricate element seals. Always lubricate connectors as well. Press connectors all the way into the element base. Use only connectors included in the Elpo delivery. Insert foam rubber seals into all air duct connectors. Use 2 different length guide pins. Steer the element into the guide pins. Ensure that connectors are placed properly. We recommend that you solder the copper tubes immediately after installing the Elpo elements. Leave a 20 mm installation allowance between an Elpo element and a concrete wall. Use a flashlight or inspection camera to ensure that connectors and seals are in place. Ensure that the element is precisely vertical. Secure the element with wedges.